Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x. We're using implicit differentiation because we have both x and y we need to differentiate. X cubed plus y cubed equals 18xy. Alright, before we start, just remember that derivative of x with respect to x equals 1. And when you differentiate y, we're going to write derivative of y with respect to x. That's for our differentiations. So when we differentiate the x, this first term, we're just going to get 3x squared, and that's times, since we differentiated x, derivative of x with respect to x. That just equals 1, so we don't need to put that. All right. Now next, plus. Now we're going to differentiate our y. So this is going to be 3y squared. And since this is, we differentiated y, this is dy divided by dx. Now the right-hand side, we need to use the product rule. So we're going to write down our x part. So this is going to be 18x times derivative of x with it's just 18x, and then we differentiate our y, so that's going to be times derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y is just 1. Plus, and now we're going to do our 18y, so that's going to be 18y times derivative of the x, and that's just going to be 1. And times this, which equals 1. All right, simplifying, we're going to get, let's group our dy dx's together. So I'm going to write this as 3y squared times dy divided by dx, and I'm going to subtract this, minus 18x times dy dx equals, now we have on this side, right-hand side, 18y, and I'm going to subtract this, minus 3x squared, because we're trying to solve for dy dx. Now let's factor out our derivative of y with respect to x, and that's going to give me 3y squared minus 18x equals 18y minus 3x squared. Now our final step is I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by this term here, so I can isolate my dy dx. I also can divide everything by 3 because this is all a multiple of 3, so we can do that. We could have done it actually from the very beginning. It would have made things a little easier, but we'll do it at the very end. So basically, when I divide both sides, I'm going to have derivative of y with respect to x equals 18y minus 3x squared divided by 3y squared minus 18x. Okay, and so like I said, you could divide everything by 3, and the real reason is you can factor out of 3 and you get 6y minus x squared divided by 3 times y squared minus 6x. And then the 3's would cancel. But anyway, this would be your final answer right in here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.